bar graph, also referred as column graph, is very useful for comparison analysis. This is our data table. We look at the data, we fill her date. So we need to visualize the data for better understand the data. But first, we need to know some background about this data. This data table, I drew it from Apple company's income statement. I simplified the data. I only picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Total income, cost of revenue, the direct cost relates to the production of goods and service. Operating expenses mostly is the company's overhead. Interest expense. Apple borrow money from bank and pay the interest. Tax, everyone knows, goes to the government. Final net income. So we want to do the comparison of the total income over the past 5 years from 2013 to 2017. Click or choose or shape these two columns and click and set. And this is the column. Choose it. Okay. We got the bar chart. It looks pretty nice. We even don't need to beautify it because it is looks already all set to use. Okay, just make bigger, and maybe we need to change tie in 2013 to 2017. We look at this graph, we immediately have the information that, whoa, at the year of 2015, Apple has the highest income over the past 5 years. So how about we want to compare all the 6 items. We just choose all the data. Choose all the data and insert. Column. We got this one. We can easily move the graph to a new space and make it bigger. Oh, make it bigger, it disappeared. Why my trap does disappear? Oh, because when I click wrong, I click here instead of here. I want to make it bigger, but I click the plus here. Actually, add a new sheep to here. Doesn't make sense compared to here. Not here, this one. Okay, so carefully. There's two plot side here. This one is add a new sheet in your workbooks. This is make your screen look bigger. Or I can make the chart look bigger like this. Now we have all the 6 items. I think we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why it only show? Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Now we have all the columns here, but sometimes we don't need to compare so many items. We might just care about the total income and the net income over the past 5 years. So we click the graph and click select data. We don't need this too much. We only need total income and net income. How to delete it? There is a button here. Click it. Oh, now this appear. We just choose this one and minor. That's cancel or delete. Delete it. Test. Delete it. Now we only have total income and net income, and click OK and come back to this one. Wow, we have only 2 columns, is total income and net income. We can put the data, put the data labels on. We click this blue column and right click and add data labels. Wow, look at it. The number is on the head. Next, click the green bar, right click and add data label. Wow, we gotta put the number on too. Now we have a very pretty bar chart. We can put a title. Income, total income, and net income comparison 2013 to 2017. All done.